All right, we're on to part 2 of season 1. So some things have changed here. We have a couple of different exercises in here, a couple different warm-up exercises. We're gonna switch to doing some deadlifts instead of the RDLs. So it's kind of interesting format with that one that we're gonna do. So it might be a little bit confusing to read, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna warm up and work your way up and perform one set of 8 to 10 reps. So that means that the weight that you use for the deadlift here should be challenging you within that 8 to 10 rep range. Then what you're going to do is you're going to, whatever weight you used for that first set, you're going to take 65 to 75% of that weight and then perform your second set, leaving like 1 to 2 reps in the tank. So that means you're gonna just keep going, do your reps, and then when you feel like you could maybe do 1 or 2 more reps, that's when you stop. So it's gonna take a little bit of practice, can be kind of hard to do, but it's a good skill to learn, especially going forward into season 2. So we'll kind of be sprinkling that in from time to time. Moving on to the another new format we're going to introduce here is a work window. So down at the incline dumbbell bench press, we're going to set a timer for 2 minutes for this set. And what that means is that you're just going to start performing good smooth reps, good cadence of dumbbell bench press. And the goal is not to just continuously do reps for 2 minutes. That's, if you can do that, the weight is almost definitely a little bit light for you. This is just setting a work window for you to kind of see what you can do within that time frame. So you can take as many rests and breaks as you need during this time. So the goal then would be, we're kind of setting a benchmark here this week, and then each week we're going to try and beat that, whether that's more reps, more weight, fewer breaks, that sort of thing. So that'll be good. And then just the cardio, now we're, instead of doing 10 minutes steady, we're just going to break it up into 2 halves. So we'll go 5 minutes, take a rest recovery break, maximum 5 minutes, so maximum amount of 5 minutes for recovery time, and then do it again. And let's just see if we can go a little bit faster here. That's kind of the goal. But other than that, part 2 time. Let's go.